Best decisions you can make in life. Life is like a buffet of decisions, with an endless array of choices, both big and small. Each decision shapes our path, impacts our happiness, and influences our personal growth. Amidst these myriad choices, some decisions stand out for their profound impact on our life's trajectory. Choosing to prioritize your health. Deciding to prioritize your health is perhaps the single most impactful decision you can make. Health is the foundation upon which all other aspects of your life are built. When you are physically fit, mentally sharp, and emotionally balanced, you're more capable of tackling life's challenges, pursuing your dreams, and enjoying your day-to-day experiences. Prioritizing your health means making conscious choices about your diet, committing to regular physical activity, and seeking mental and emotional well-being through practices like mindfulness or therapy. The ripple effects of this decision are far-reaching. Beyond the obvious benefits of increased energy and a lower risk of diseases, prioritizing your health enhances your self-esteem and resilience. Investing in your education and continuous learning. The decision to invest in your education and commit to lifelong learning is a game-changer. Education opens doors to opportunities, equips you with critical thinking skills, and enriches your understanding of the world. But the pursuit of knowledge doesn't end with formal education. It's a lifelong journey. Embracing continuous learning keeps your mind sharp, your skills relevant, and your curiosity alive. Whether through professional courses, self-study, or experiential learning, the pursuit of knowledge is a commitment to personal growth and adaptability. Continuous learning is more than accumulating facts. It's about developing a mindset that is open, inquisitive, and eager to explore new perspectives. This mindset not only enhances your personal and professional life, but also fosters innovation and creativity. Cultivating deep and meaningful relationships. Humans are inherently social beings, and the quality of our relationships has a profound impact on our happiness and well-being. Choosing to cultivate deep and meaningful relationships is a decision that enriches your life in countless ways. It involves investing time and energy in building connections that are based on trust, respect, and mutual support. These relationships provide a source of comfort, joy, and belonging that is essential for a fulfilling life. However, cultivating these relationships requires more than just spending time with people. It requires vulnerability, the courage to be yourself, and the willingness to listen and empathize with others. It means showing up for the people you care about in good times and bad. The effort you put into your relationships is returned tenfold, creating a support network that carries you through life's ups and downs. Finding your passion and making it a priority. Discovering what you're truly passionate about and making it a central part of your life is a decision that can lead to unparalleled joy and fulfillment. Your passion could be your career, a hobby, or a cause you're deeply committed to. What matters is that it excites you, challenges you, and gives you a sense of purpose. Making your passion a priority doesn't mean you have to turn it into your job. It means carving out space in your life to engage with it regularly, allowing it to energize and inspire you. The journey to finding your passion requires exploration, experimentation, and an openness to new experiences. It often involves stepping out of your comfort zone and embracing the unknown. Once discovered, making your passion a priority enriches your life with a deep sense of satisfaction and achievement. Embracing change and letting go of the past. One of the most liberating decisions you can make is to embrace change and let go of the past. Life is inherently dynamic, and change is inevitable. Holding on to past regrets, grudges, or missed opportunities only weighs you down and prevents you from moving forward. Embracing change means accepting the impermanence of life, adapting to new circumstances, and being open to new possibilities. It's about focusing on what you can control and letting go of what you cannot. Letting go of the past is not about forgetting it, but rather about learning from it and using those lessons to shape a better future. It involves forgiving yourself and others, releasing the baggage that hinders your growth, and looking forward with optimism and resilience. Committing to your personal growth. Deciding to commit to your personal growth is one of the most empowering choices you can make. Personal growth involves actively seeking to understand yourself better, develop your strengths, address your weaknesses, and expand your horizons. It's a lifelong process that requires curiosity, self-reflection, and the courage to step outside your comfort zone. By committing to personal growth, you embrace the journey of becoming the best version of yourself. This commitment means setting aside time for self-reflection, learning new skills, challenging your limiting beliefs, and setting and pursuing personal goals. It's about embracing discomfort as a catalyst for growth and viewing failures and setbacks as opportunities to learn. Living within your means and saving for the future. Making the decision to live within your means and save for the future is crucial for long-term security and peace of mind. It involves creating and sticking to a budget, avoiding unnecessary debt, and making informed financial decisions. Living within your means requires discipline and foresight, but it leads to a sense of financial freedom and stability. It allows you to weather life's storms without undue stress and provides a foundation for building a secure future. Saving for the future is equally important. It means setting aside a portion of your income for emergencies, retirement, and other long-term goals. It's about prioritizing your future needs over immediate desires and understanding the power of compound interest. Taking responsibility for your life. Choosing to take responsibility for your life is a powerful step toward personal empowerment. It means acknowledging that you are the architect of your own destiny and that your choices, actions, and attitudes determine your path. Taking responsibility involves moving beyond a victim mentality, accepting accountability for your mistakes, and embracing the power you have to change your circumstances. It's a commitment to self-determination and active engagement in shaping your life. This decision requires courage and honesty. It means facing your fears, confronting uncomfortable truths, and making tough decisions. But the rewards are immense. Giving back to your community. Deciding to give back to your community is a decision that enriches both your life and the lives of others. It's about recognizing that we are all part of a larger social fabric, and that contributing to the well-being of others strengthens that fabric. Giving back can take many forms, from volunteering and mentoring to philanthropy and activism. It's about using your time, skills, and resources to make a positive impact on your community and the world. Giving back is deeply rewarding. It fosters a sense of connection, purpose, and gratitude. It allows you to make a tangible difference in the lives of others and contributes to a sense of collective well-being. By giving back, you become an active participant in shaping a more compassionate, just, and equitable society. Pursuing inner peace and contentment. Finally, choosing to pursue inner peace and contentment is perhaps the most profound decision you can make. It's about seeking a sense of serenity and satisfaction within yourself, regardless of external circumstances. Pursuing inner peace involves practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and self-compassion. It requires letting go of the relentless pursuit of more and finding joy in the present moment. Contentment comes from appreciating what you have, rather than fixating on what you lack. This decision leads to a life marked by tranquility, resilience, and a deep sense of fulfillment. It enables you to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and equanimity. Pursuing inner peace and contentment doesn't mean you won't face challenges or feel negative emotions. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.